Welcome everyone. I'm Steve and I'm with ClassroomSmart.com. Today we're going to be talking about our featured app of the month, Doceri. Now Doceri is a great interactive whiteboard app that we're going to kind of go through step by step to show you how to do it. Today we're focusing on how to create a project and to rename it. So join me right now.
Now, when you launch Doceri, this is the screen that you're going to see. We're going to see that we're going to be able to use our iPad individually, or we can run it through the computer. Now, if you're running AirPlay, you can actually run it from your iPad alone. So with an Apple TV, you can go ahead and select this, and we'll go ahead and select it. And this is the screen that's going to pop up. So the first thing we're going to notice is it's going to give us a little prompt to start a new project. And we have some sample projects to kind of look through. Kind of cool. They've done some cool things there. And then we have all our help question, our edit menu, and to close it out. So I'm going to go ahead and press the plus button. And when I do that, then it gives me all these different resolutions to choose from. And because we're working on an iPad, I always choose the iPad default. Depending on your projector too, you might want to choose a different resolution. But I like to do the iPad default because I am presenting on an iPad. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. And now you're going to notice that we have a whiteboard right here. Now the whiteboard is kind of cool because we have all these different tools. So we have a record feature, we have a background feature, we have a import picture, and to export, then we have all our pen tools. So there's 6 of them that we can modify, and the 7th tool, which is our eraser, we can change the size of it, but we can't change it out. We have our redo button and undo button, and then we have a clear all, like a wiper blade. Then we have our settings. We kind of talk about restoring purchases and stuff like that. So this is just kind of the basics of it. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're actually going to go through and name this. So we're going to go back out, and when we go to name this, we go ahead and click on the untitled part, and when we click on it, it pops open and gives us the prompt. So we have untitled right here. Clear it out and name it what you want it to be named. So we go ahead and name it. I just named it Doceri, and so now here's our file. Now the cool thing about this is when we export it, now it's going to export it with that file name Doceri. And it's really useful for if you have your students creating projects on here to have them put their name on it, so then when they share it with you, you know whose project is who. And so really simple, just click on the text right here and that'll allow you to rename it.
I hope you've enjoyed this presentation on how to create a project and rename it in Doceri. For more information, join me online at ClassroomSmart.com. Remember to stay up to date with the latest apps for the classroom. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel or like us on Facebook. Apps for educators, keeping the classroom smart.